Happy New Year. It's me, Shondell, the creator of the Craft Print, aka your new favorite crafter. This is just a quick little intro video because it's been a while since I introduced myself. As you can see, I am a paper crafter. Well, you can't see I'm a paper crafter, but you can see I'm a Cricut crafter. I am a Cricut crafter, and on this channel, I teach everyone from beginner, from never touched the Cricut to experts, a multitude of different projects, and I'm going to help you master your Cricut if you're a newbie or you need help. Okay, I am here to help. I'll answer your questions. Anytime you see a question from any of my videos, just jump in the comment section and ask. Now, I go live doing live classes on TikTok. You have to follow me over on TikTok. I am the Craft Print on TikTok as well. And in the evenings this year, I'll be going live teaching you a bunch of new craft projects. On this channel, I have over 200 tutorials, from cake toppers to cupcake toppers to banners, centerpieces. I also dabble in other crafts besides paper crafts. There's an airplane flying over interrupting me. I'm in New York City. I got to deal with the noise. But anyway, I do try out other things. I have some laser crafts, vinyl, HTV, name it, it's probably here. If it's not, then I probably don't know how to do it, or it's coming this year. All right, so I just wanted to reintroduce myself. If you have any questions, drop your questions. Make sure you guys are following me all over social media, whether it's Instagram, TikTok. Obviously, here on YouTube, you found this video, you're probably not subscribed. That's okay. I forgive you. Go ahead and subscribe now, okay? But anyway, welcome to 2026. Go ahead, scroll down, enjoy all of my videos, because starting tomorrow, we will have new uploads, and I will upload new videos weekly. And sometimes, if I'm feeling extra creative, I will upload 2 per week, okay? I also want to mention, I also have a blog, thecraftprint.com, and there you could get freebies, downloads, digitals, SVG, so you can go check that out. I currently have a website, thecraftprintshop.com, where I sell glitter metallic cardstock, acetate sheets, adhesive foam squares, templates, and SVGs. I don't know how long I'm going to continue that. It's been quite a road. It might end in 2026, but for now, January of 2026, the website is still up and there's still inventory and amazing craft supplies. So welcome, and let's have a great 2026.